Hi, my name is Wan Agia Arissa Wan Mhd Junnid, and I'm from Faculty Information Management. So today I would like to share with you about MOOCs. MOOC is able anyone, anywhere to engage more in any tractable empower learning process. So MOOCs is stand for Massive Open Online Sources. So MOOCs have three benefits, which is learning sequence. Student can see the video and make exercise, and student can keep trying to do that if they want to. And as we know, we have to engage with the technology right now. So number two is instant feedback. So we can see, as a student, we can see any comments or any of friend comment, which is they comment that so there's an answer in that comment. So there is most important is mod that we can use that. So the last one is power, rewind, and speed up. We can see the video, any of video that in MOOCs we can pause, we can stop. So we can use that to any.
Straight, my friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the